Trust me, I am a scientist. Dr. PERVEZ HOODBHAY, a Pakistani nuclear physicist and activist, the living legends of Pakistan. Pervez Amir Ali Hoodbhoy was born on 11th July 1950. Born and raised in Karachi, Sindh in a Gujarati household. Hoodbhoy attended the Karachi Grammar School and after graduation he went to MIT on a scholarship. He was so poor that he even worked in a restaurant to support his studies. He had a great interest in electronics and mathematics. He studied for 9 years at MIT and graduated with double BSc in electrical engineering and mathematics, followed by an MSc in solid-state physics. After graduation in 1973, he joined Kashif University at Islamabad as a researcher and lecturer, and renewed his scholarship to resume his studies in USA. He continued his research at MIT and got his PhD in nuclear physics in 1978. He taught at Kashif University, Islamabad for almost 47 years. He researched in particle physics and further modified and added to the work of different scientists such as Jan Peterson, Edward Whiten on anti-de Sitter space. He was also included in the list of 100 most influential global thinkers by foreign policy. On 14th April 2001, it was announced that Dr. Hoodbhoy would be receiving Sitare-e-Imtiaz by former President General Pervez Musharraf, but he refused to accept it. He further said at Friday Times that, "I am reasonably satisfied with my scientific work. I do not think it is earth-shaking or that it deserves any kind of award. On the other hand, receiving an award, even if it is a high national award, would give me absolutely no sense of achievement or satisfaction, because it carries no credibility or prestige in professional circles. Such things do not indicate that you have done good work in your field. Therefore, I decided to refuse the award." Opposition of Pakistan nuclear program. This intellectual scholar of Pakistan had also opposed Pak nuclear program. He thought that this will be an absolute destruction of human civilization to give rise to nuclear weapons. Filmography. He created 13-part documentaries in Urdu for Pakistan television on critical issues in education and 2 series aimed at popularizing science. Those series are Crossing the Lines, Kashmir, Pakistan and India, The Bell Tolls for the Planet Earth, Pakistan and India Under Nuclear Shadow. I think this is the only scientist working in Pakistan to popularize science, to criticize the politicians and reveal their propaganda. You can listen to his amazing lectures on his YouTube channel, PERVEZ HOODBHAY. He explains and answers very sensitive and difficult questions like religious questions. Is science compatible with Islam? Is science an invention of Greeks and Muslims? Could Darwin be wrong? Scientific questions like, can antimatter fuel your car? Is the brain quantum mechanical? Does the outer space have water? Why is the universe mathematical? How to see inside the earth? How do stars produce gold? He also criticizes the politicians and reveals their propagandas such as Imran Khan misleads Pakistani youth. How and why? Did Jinnah really want Pakistan? Is there a solution to Kashmir issue? Why Pakistan would not recognize Israel? Social issues like burqa in Pakistani universities. Educational problems such as why you should not trust international ranking of universities and professors. Motivational speakers on campuses forcing Arabic onto Pakistani kids and cheating in online exams. So if you want to hear all these interesting and difficult questions answered from the mouth of a brilliant scientist and activist, then you can visit his YouTube channel PERVEZ HOODBHAY. You can also read his killer articles that will blow your mind on Daily Dawn, where he writes on social, political and educational issues. You can physically attend his lectures at Black Hole in Islamabad by just pre-registering on their website, Black Holes. And the interesting thing is, it's 100% free for all. Many people in Pakistan call him a traitor, but could you imagine a person who is a brilliant and a well-known scientist all over the world, living in a third world country, working to popularize science, teaching the young minds and criticizing politicians and revealing their propaganda, raising his voice on social issues in his articles and interviews for free? I ask you, could such a person be a traitor, or would you call it a real patriot? In my opinion, he is a true patriot and he proves it with his efforts and hard work. We need more people like Dr. Hoodbhoy. In the last, I want to say something to Dr. Hoodbhoy. Thank you, Dr. Hoodbhoy. Thank you for teaching us. Thank you for working for this country, for this nation. Thank you for everything. Thanks for watching.